Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to pop on here really quickly before we jump into the tutorial for how to do your own fake nails at home. These are press-on nails, and you guys, I'm the press-on nail queen, okay? Because I have been doing this for years and years. I've refined the method. I'm constantly updating it, improving it. I'm using different types of nails, and I'm here to share with you the best method for getting your nails to look natural, to last for a long time. You don't have to worry about your press-on nails popping off. Because of the coronavirus, nail salons are closed in most parts of the world, so a lot of us are now turning to doing our own nails, some people for the first time. So this is a very beginner-friendly tutorial. If you are new here to my channel, make sure to subscribe. I do home and lifestyle videos, but also I throw in some beauty tutorials here and there. I'm going to have an updated DIY eyelash extensions at home video coming very soon, so look out for that. These are the nails we are doing today. I think they are gorgeous, they look natural, and these are gonna last me for 2 to 3 weeks. I usually keep them on for about 2 weeks because by the 3rd week, there's regrowth. Hi guys, I am back with a new and improved, updated fake nail tutorial. The reason I am updating this tutorial, we have some new tips and tricks, also new nails that I use. So these are the nails that I will be using and that I recommend. These are very beginner friendly for a few reasons. Because they are the nude color, they blend in seamlessly with your natural nail. They also look better as they're growing out. You can find these at Target, you can find these on the Kiss website, you can find them in multiple places. I will link them down below. They have this in the medium length, short length. They also have the oval shape, which I actually meant to order. I don't normally wear square nails. Let me know in the comments, do you prefer square nails or oval? As for our nail prep, very simple and easy. You want clean, dry fingernails. And when I say dry, it means you should not have showered in the past 3 to 4 hours, and you should not shower for at least 3 to 4 hours afterwards. It will make a difference in the longevity. Your Kiss nail set comes with a little mini file, this wooden tool, and a fresh thing of nail glue. If you want to preserve the strength and health of your natural nails, you don't need to do these steps with filing the nails. However, that will compromise longevity. They're probably only going to last 3 to 4 days if you do nothing to your natural nail. If you want them to last about a week, you can use the included nail file on the stronger grit side, and I'll show you in a second how we file them. But if you want these babies to last for 2 weeks, which is what I go for, I'm going for ultra longevity, you want this particular nail file. It is coarse 100. Only do this step if you want them to last for up to 2 weeks. The first thing I always do is I pick out my nails, I size them, and I get them all set up in front of me. The good thing about this set of nails is I find that I don't really have to do any added shaping. That is what takes more time when I use these nails or the others, because they don't quite contour to my natural nails as well. Right out of the box, they fit, they look good. Some of them need a little bit of trimming. I get them set up. The only nail that needs major work is the thumb nail, because I like a short thumbnail. It just makes it easier to text and type and all of that on my phone. So I just trim that one down to size. Because I'm going for ultra long wear press-on nails, I'm using this nail file, and I want to do 5 to 7 passes in the same direction on each nail. This is going to give the nail grip. It's going to give it something to stick to, and it dramatically improves the longevity. Go one, and move your nail around as you're doing this so you get all parts of the nail. So that's about 6 passes on here, and you can see that added some texture to the nail. This is what makes them stick better. So I'm going to go ahead and do this to all of my nails. Now if you're watching this and you're cringing, remember, you don't have to do this step if you don't care about them lasting as long, if you want to preserve your natural nails. I always am wearing these fake nails. I'm not trying to grow out my natural nails. So there we have it, just like this. Now an added new step in this is I take a little bit of rubbing alcohol and I clean off each nail. This fully dries it. It removes any bacteria, makes it nice and sanitary. So I just have some rubbing alcohol, and there we go. As for glue, you can use the glue that comes with the nails. This is perfectly fine. I don't do anything to the cuticle except push it down. If you are a cuticle cutter, then by all means do what you do. Just don't add any cuticle oil at this point. We're gonna clean up around the nails and make it look nice afterwards. If you really want them to last, you wanna do a double bond. So that means you do a couple drops of glue on the inside of the nail and then a few drops of glue on your nail. You wanna saturate the nail, but don't oversaturate it so that it overflows. So I find that it's about 2 drops on the natural nail and then 2 drops on the fake nail. You want to move pretty quickly here. Get your placement, stick it and push it all the way to the base of your cuticle, and then you want to hold it here for a solid 30 seconds. Don't skip, don't rush ahead. So the combination of filing your nails, giving it that texture, the double glue bond, and really holding it on here is the magic secret that's going to make these babies last. So here is our first nail. We're gonna go back and make it look all nice and pretty at the end. So about 1, 2 drops on my nail, and then 1, 2 drops on the inside here. Make sure when you're putting it on your nail, you push all the way down to the cuticle, press firmly, make sure it's on there straight. You don't want any crooked nails going on, and then hold it firmly. Here's our second nail. This middle nail took about 3 drops because it's a little bit larger. We'll do 2 here, and then press and push and hold. Third nail, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2. The thumb is where I spend extra attention because if I ever have issues, it's always the thumb. So you want to do like 4 drops of glue because it's a bigger nail. Really put the glue on the back. Okay, so there we go. This is what it looks like before I do anything else to it. If you prefer a more rounded shape, at this point you could take your file, change the shape. You can cut them shorter if you want. You could even paint them if you want them to be painted. That just adds time and an extra step. I like this look because they look best as they're growing out. They blend in so well, they look good for weeks. They're like little tiny tabs that you want to file off. So at the very bare minimum, just do a little filing there. It's very, very important once you have these on, you let them fully dry. Don't take a shower, don't do the dishes, don't get your hands saturated and wet for several hours, at least 3 hours. My cuticles are looking a little bit dry, but I'm not gonna add a cuticle oil or anything like that right now until these have set overnight. Tomorrow I will go in, add my nice cuticle oil. But yeah, look at the difference here, guys. So here are both hands done. You can see here, they look natural. I think they look really good. The only thing is I do need to add some cuticle oil, but I will do that once they fully set and dry. So this is option 1, but I did end up going in and adjusting the shape to an almond just by filing them down, and this is what I typically will wear and I think looks better on my hands. Okay, so that is the tutorial. This is what they look like now. I might actually reshape them to be oval, maybe cut them a little bit shorter. As for maintenance, there's really not much you need to do once they have set and you don't shower the night of doing your nails. They're good. You can do dishes, you can shower, swim, do whatever you want. You do not have to worry about these. The only time I ever have issues is if I like jam my finger in a door. If you follow the full method I showed you, these are so solid, you don't have to worry about them. That's the other amazing thing about this. They're easy to remove. You don't need any special tools or anything like that. After about 2 weeks, you will notice the glue is starting to loosen, specifically at the bottom. And so what I will do is I will take my nails and I will soak them in warm soapy water for about 30 minutes, or you could just take a nice long bath. Make sure just keep your hands submerged. So I do cut them down short before I start the removal process. That will help soften everything, just make the process easier. And from there, you can either take an extra nail because there's going to be extras from the set that you used, or you can use that little wooden nail tool that came with your set, and you just go right from underneath in the middle, you slide it under, and then you pop them off. I promise you, it is not painful. I have the lowest pain tolerance of anybody that I know. You just slide them under and they pop off. For me, I've been doing this because I don't have time to go to the nail salon and I love how they look anyway. So this has been my method and I just wanted to update it, share the latest and greatest. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I do have my lash extensions updated video coming very soon, probably within 2 to 3 weeks. And with all of that said, thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.